channel Natural Beauty Seekers. Today I am going to show you how you can get clean hands and face instantly. At first, take a bowl of warm water. Into this, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar into it. Now mix it well. Soak your feet for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, scrub your feet gently using a soft bristled brush. Scrub the heels with the pumice stone. Repeat the same process for your another leg. Afterwards, wash your feet using plain water. Next, pat dry your feet. Repeat it regularly for a few days to lighten your skin tone. Vinegar is a good whitening agent while salt will help exfoliate your skin. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Seekers to get more amazing natural beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye.